Good morning, student. Today we have discussed about the topic शाहजहाँ पैटर्नर्स ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर। देखो शाहजहाँ ने जो भी आर्किटेक्ट किए उसके बारे में देखिए। इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट टू जहांगीर सन एंड सक्सेसर शाहजहाँ वास है प्रोलिफ बिल्डर। जो शाहजहाँ थे एक बहुत अच्छे बिल्डर थे। ही द Mughal architects reached his zenith of glory during the reign of Shahjahan. 1628 to 1658 CE, he was even called the Engineer King. His favorite building material was marble. In contrast to Akbar and Jahangir's massive structure, his buildings are slender, delicate, and richly ornamented. Persian influence was more prominent in his building. A special feature was an inlay work known as Pitra Dura, in which semi-precious stone like lapis lazuli, topaz were embedded in the marble to decorate the wall. सम ऑफ द फेमस बिल्डिंग मेड बाय शाहजहाँ आर, जो फेमस बिल्डिंग है शाहजहाँ के द्वारा बनी कौन कौन सी? रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली। हिज एक्सटेंसिव स्ट्रक्चर लाइज ऑन द राइट बैंक ऑफ रिवर यमुना. इट वॉज मेड ऑफ रेड स्टोन sandstone and was palace fortress. It has a number of beautiful features like Diwan-e-Aam and Diwan-e-Khas and the Rang Mahal. Diwan-e-Aam and Rang Mahal are arcaded pavilions with sandstone column in pairs. Diwan-e-Khas has a marble platform on which the famous peacock studded throne of Shahjahan was kept. This hall was used for private audience. देखिए रेड फोर्ट इस तरीके से, जो देखिए रेड फोर्ट। देखिए जामा मस्जिद के बारे में देखेंगे। जामा मस्जिद, दिस मॉस्क एट दिल्ली इज़ ए बिगर वर्जन ऑफ जामा मस्जिद एट फतेहपुर सीकरी एंड इज़ द लार्जेस्ट मॉस्क इन द कंट्री. इट इज़ बिल्ड ऑन द रेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म सराउंडेड बाय आर्केड्स. On the top are three bulbous domes. The main emphasis lies on the use of geometrical design and calligraphy. The minarets display a Persian style. अब देखिए ताजमहल एट आगरा इन यूपी. It is undoubtedly Shahjahan's grandest and the most well-known structure. It was built in the memory of Mumtaz Mahal, the most loved queen of Shahjahan. Shahjahan employed artisans from various countries to build Taj. The construction was carried out under the guidance of master craftsman Ustad Isa of Iran. Style is mostly Persian and architecture resembles that of the Humayun tomb. Taj Mahal stands on the white marble platform 6.6 million and 22 feet high. A beautiful bulbous tomb 56 meter and 187 feet high, topped with an inverted lotus rising above. There are 4 minarets at the 4 corners of the platform. The decorative feature of building consists of calligraphy and inlay work in the exterior and Pitra Dura in the interior. Inside the central hall of Taj Mahal lies the cenotaphs of Mumtaz Mahal and Shahjahan. Verses from the Quran have been engraved in black marble at various places. Its glory springs from its perfect balance and proportion, such as a few other buildings anywhere in the world possess. So heart-rending in its mute appeal for the lost beloved that a poet has called it a teardrop on the cheek of time. It was the fruit of labor of 20,000 men who toiled for 22 years. Approximately 3 crore rupees were spent on its construction. देखो उस टाइम कितना कंस्ट्रक्शन में खर्च हुआ था? 3 करोड़. ओके. और कितना टाइम लगा था? 22 ईयर्स लगे थे इसको बनने में. देख लीजिए अब रिवर फ्रंट. Shahjahan shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi. He established a beautiful city on the bank of river Yamuna. Most of the nobility also rushed to construct homes on the bank of the river Yamuna. This construction was designed in the Chaharbagh format, but it was a river-facing historian. Those described the complex as a riverfront garden. Shahjahan selected the site for the Taj Mahal because it was a river-facing. Taj come up amidst a huge riverfront garden. Site for construction, the new city of Shahjahanabad was also selected because it was on the river. रिवर के पास में इन्होंने सेलेक्ट किया। देखिए ताजमहल का जो है इस तरीके से बना हुआ है। देखिए एक मैप जो है सॉरी आगरा फोर्ट देखिए। इनसाइड द आगरा फोर्ट शाहजहाँ मेड attractive buildings such as Diwan-e-Azam, Diwan-e-Khas, Sheesh Mahal, sorry, Masuman Burj, and the Delhi delightful Moti Masjid, which is built entirely of white marble and stand for its purity and simplicity. It was Shah Jahan who, for the first time, brought grace, delicacy, and rhythm to the art of building. His legacy in the stone will always be remembered as the best specimen of the Mughal art and architect who ever graced the earth. आर्किटेक्ट जो है देखिए विक्टोरी टावर जो है हमारा चित्तौड़ का, पॉल कुंभज एट बीजापुर, इस तरीके से जो है चर्च देखिए किस तरीके के बने हुए हैं। इस तरीके से जो है ये बिल्डिंग है उस टाइम की जो जिनका कंस्ट्रक्शन देखो शाहजहाँ ने करवाया, और ये इनकी अहम ही भूमिका थी रेड फोर्ट की, जामा मस्जिद की, ताजमहल की। ठीक है, ये अभी भी आज भी अपनी इम्पोर्टेंस लिए हुए हैं। थैंक यू।